What if you could create an entire cinematic game trailer without animating manually, without a game studio, and without expensive software? Today I'll show you how creators are making insane-looking AI game trailers using OiiOii's Custom Canvas, Image 2, and Cedence 2. Right now, this type of content is exploding on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. People are creating fake horror games, anime RPGs, cinematic boss fights, and viral gaming concepts completely with AI. So, in this video, I'll show you the full workflow step by step. We'll generate cinematic game scenes using Image 2, then animate them with Cedence 2, all inside OiiOii's Custom Canvas workflow. What is OiiOii? Before we begin, let me quickly explain what OiiOii is. OEO AI is an AI creation platform that lets you generate images, videos, animations, cinematic scenes, and storytelling content using AI prompts. Inside the platform, you can create AI animations, character designs, story scenes, anime sequences, cinematic trailers. One of its most powerful features is Custom Canvas, and that's what we'll use today. Why this method is going viral. AI game trailers are getting huge engagement right now. You've probably seen videos like upcoming PS6 horror game, dark fantasy Souls-like, anime open-world RPG, Cyberpunk samurai game. Most of these aren't real games. They're AI-generated concepts. But people love cinematic gaming visuals, which is why these videos perform so well. Creators are monetizing this through YouTube Shorts, TikTok, client work, indie game marketing, faceless AI channels. So instead of random AI clips, we're going to make something that actually looks like a real game teaser. Step 1. Open OiiOii. First, go to the OiiOii AI platform and create your account. Once you log in, you'll see different workflows like story anime, character design, assets, custom canvas. For this tutorial, open Custom Canvas. This is the main workspace where you can generate images and videos using different AI models. Step 2. Select Image 2. Inside Custom Canvas, select the Image 2 model first. This is the recommended workflow because will 1. Generate cinematic images with Image 2. 2. Then animate them using Cedence 2. This gives much better cinematic consistency. Step 3. Find a game idea. Now decide what type of game trailer you want to create. A simple trick is searching on X4, AI game trailer, cinematic AI game, fantasy game concept. For this example, let's create a dark cyberpunk samurai action game. Other great ideas are horror survival, anime RPGs, zombie shooters, sci-fi boss fights, medieval fantasy games. Step 4. Generate the first image. Now type a cinematic prompt like cyberpunk samurai standing in neon rain, cinematic lighting, futuristic Tokyo alley, ultra-detailed, realistic game concept art, video game style make sure, model tech Image 2. Choose your aspect ratio. Select style if needed. Then, click Generate. Within seconds, OiiOii creates a cinematic game frame that already looks like a real game screenshot. Step 5. Improve the shot. If you want better results, you can refine the image directly inside Custom Canvas. You can regenerate variations, modify prompts, improve lighting, change composition, upload reference images. Uploading references is especially useful for maintaining a specific visual style. Step 6. Create multiple scenes. Now generate multiple shots to make the trailer feel real. For example, character introduction, environment shot, action sequence, boss reveal, cinematic close-up. This is what makes the final trailer look professional. Step 7. Animate using Cedence 2. Now comes the best part. Select your image and switch to the Cedence 2 workflow. This transforms the static image into an animated cinematic shot. You can describe camera movement like cinematic zoom, dramatic pan, tracking shot, character motion. For example, slow cinematic push-in, neon rain falling, samurai coat moving in wind, dramatic atmosphere. Then generate the video. Now it actually starts looking like a real game trailer. Step 8. Create the final trailer. Repeat this process for multiple scenes. Create intro shot, character reveal, action scene, final logo reveal. Then combine everything inside CapCut or any editor. Add cinematic music, bass impacts, trailer sound effects, dramatic text. Even a 20-30-second trailer can perform extremely well on Shorts and TikTok. Monetization potential. Creators are monetizing this content through YouTube Shorts, TikTok viral pages, freelance trailer creation, indie game marketing, faceless AI gaming channels. AI cinematic gaming content is growing very fast right now, which creates a huge opportunity for creators. Final thoughts. Overall, this is one of the easiest workflows for creating cinematic AI game trailers right now. Using Image 2 for visuals, Cedence 2 for animation, and OiiOii Custom Canvas, you can create professional-looking AI trailers surprisingly fast. Whether you want viral content, client work, or creative storytelling, this workflow opens a lot of possibilities. If you want to try it yourself, check out the OiiOii AI platform. Start with Custom Canvas, generate scenes with Image 2, then animate them using Cedence 2. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what type of AI game trailer I should create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.